Don't download SEMRush Enterprise Marketing and SEO app before watching this. Before you download SEMRush Enterprise, here's a surprising truth. It's not just an SEO tool. At the enterprise level, SEMRush becomes a complete marketing intelligence platform, but many teams get it wrong by jumping in without strategy. Step 1. Define your goals. SEMRush can do keyword research, competitor analysis, backlink audits, content marketing insights, and paid search tracking. Without a clear focus, the features can feel overwhelming. Step 2. Structure your campaigns. Enterprise plans allow multiple projects, custom reports, and automated alerts. Most people get this wrong. They track too many metrics at once, which dilutes insights. Step 3. Act on data. SEMRush analytics are powerful only if used regularly. Monitor competitor trends, update content strategy, and refine campaigns to see real ROI. The upside: properly used, SEMRush Enterprise can increase organic traffic, improve search rankings, and inform paid campaigns, giving you a significant competitive edge. So should you download it? Yes, if your team has a strategy, the bandwidth to manage insights, and a plan to act on recommendations. If you just want a basic SEO tool, the enterprise plan may be overkill. Subscribe for more deep dives before investing in enterprise marketing platforms.